Ever wonder if you could see the future? Not with a crystal ball, but with technology so advanced it can simulate the real world before things actually happen. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now, and it's called a digital twin. Today, we're diving deep into this revolutionary technology that's quietly changing everything, from the car you drive to the city you live in. So, what exactly is a digital twin? Imagine creating a perfect, living, virtual copy of a physical object, a process, or even an entire system. It's not just a static 3D model. This digital replica is connected to its real-world counterpart through a constant stream of data from sensors. The Internet of Things, or IoT. This connection allows the digital twin to mirror the real object's state, condition, and behavior in real time. Think of a jet engine. In the physical world, it's soaring at 30,000 feet. In the digital world, its twin is running an identical simulation, fed with live data on temperature, pressure, and vibration. This allows engineers on the ground to see exactly how the engine is performing, moment by moment. They can spot potential issues long before they become critical failures, making air travel safer than ever. But how does it work its magic? The secret sauce is a powerful combination of technologies. First, you have the physical object equipped with IoT sensors. These sensors are the eyes and ears, collecting massive amounts of data. Then, this data is fed into a sophisticated software model that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. This AI doesn't just display the data, it analyzes it, learns from it, and uses it to predict future outcomes. It's a continuous loop. The real world sends data to the digital twin, and the digital twin provides insights that help us improve the real world. Let's explore some mind-blowing real-world applications. Take manufacturing, the heartland of Industry 4.0. Companies are creating digital twins of their entire production lines. Before a single physical part is made, they can simulate the whole process. They can test different layouts, identify bottlenecks, and train workers in a virtual environment, all without interrupting the actual factory floor. This drastically reduces setup costs, minimizes downtime, and boosts efficiency. A car manufacturer, for instance, can simulate how a new robotic arm will perform on the assembly line, ensuring it works perfectly from day one. Now, let's scale this up to an entire city. Welcome to the world of smart cities. City planners are building digital twins of urban environments. They can model traffic flow, energy consumption, and even air quality. Want to know the impact of building a new subway line? Simulate it first. Want to see how a heat wave will affect the power grid? The digital twin can tell you. This allows for smarter, more sustainable urban planning, making our cities more livable and resilient. Singapore, for example, has an incredible digital twin of its entire nation, helping them manage everything from public transportation to disaster response. The impact on healthcare is equally profound. Imagine a digital twin of a human heart created from a patient's MRI and CT scans. Doctors can use this virtual heart to test the effectiveness of different treatments or surgical procedures before ever touching the patient. They can see how a specific drug will affect that individual's heart, leading to truly personalized medicine. This not only improves patient outcomes, but also reduces the risks associated with invasive procedures. It's a future where healthcare is tailored to your unique body, not just a one-size-fits-all approach. And it doesn't stop there. In the energy sector, digital twins of wind farms are optimizing the performance of each individual turbine by analyzing real-time wind conditions and blade stress. Operators can adjust the turbines to generate maximum power while preventing wear and tear. This makes renewable energy more reliable and cost-effective. Even in aerospace, beyond just engines, NASA uses digital twin technology to design and test spacecraft for missions to Mars and beyond, simulating the harsh conditions of space to ensure mission success. So, why is this so important? Because digital twins are fundamentally changing how we make decisions. For centuries, we've relied on experience, trial and error, and educated guesses. Now, we have a tool that lets us run what-if scenarios on a massive scale with incredible accuracy. What if we change this material? What if demand suddenly doubles? What if a critical component fails? Instead of waiting for these things to happen and then reacting, we can proactively simulate them, understand the consequences, and prepare a plan. This shift from reactive to predictive decision-making is a game changer. It enables businesses to reduce costs by predicting maintenance needs and avoiding costly shutdowns. It helps them optimize performance by finding the most efficient way to operate, and it accelerates innovation by allowing engineers and designers to test radical new ideas in a risk-free virtual world. The ability to simulate the future allows us to build a better, safer, and more efficient present. As technology continues to advance, with more powerful AI and more ubiquitous IoT sensors, the capabilities of digital twins will only grow. We'll see them become more detailed, more predictive, and more integrated into our daily lives. From personalized products designed with a digital twin of your own preferences, to complex supply chains that can automatically reroute shipments to avoid a storm predicted by a global logistics twin. The concept of a digital twin is more than just a technological buzzword. It's a paradigm shift. It represents a new frontier in the partnership between the physical and digital worlds, where data gives us the power to not just understand our world, but to shape its future with unprecedented clarity and confidence. It's not about predicting a single fixed future, but about exploring a vast landscape of possibilities to choose the best path forward. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of digital twins. It's a technology that is truly shaping the future, one simulation at a time. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the tech that's changing our world. Let me know in the comments which application of digital twins you find most exciting. See you in the next one.